Hi, I'm Lottie B, and I'm gonna play Which Iconic Woman Am I? Taylor Swift. I grew up a Swiftie. As in, college pa lang ako, nagagano na ako in my room. So, ginagaya ko na yung songs niya. So, Taylor Swift, through and through. Kendall Jenner. Well, mas familiar talaga ako sa kanya. And at least I've seen her behind the scenes. Si Bella Hadid kasi mas mga posts on Instagram ko siya kilala. Pero si Kendall, of course, keeping up. So, mas siya yung napapanood ko. Ariana Grande. Ganun din. College pa lang, yung mga first songs niya. As in, gustong-gusto ko talaga yung boses niya. And she's very versatile with what she does. So now she acts, does theater. So yes, Ariana. Oh. Emma Watson. Although hindi ako na Harry Potter, pero I really like her mind, especially with the things that she would fight for and how she really wants to empower women. So I love Emma Watson. Tandang Sora to, no? Both. Gabriela Silang, because in her 30s, strong enough to lead the revolution. And Tandang Sora, because when I'm older, in my 80s, just like her, I want to still be able to help with what I do and to care for others and to lead also. So, gusto ko maging Gabriela Silang while I am young, kahit sumasakit na yung mga likod natin. Hindi tayo makakaliit ng revolution, pero sana online kaya natin. And Tandang Sora when we are older. Karen Davila. Just because I'm also more familiar with her and I grew up watching her din sa TV. So yeah, Karen Davila. Oh, okay. Gusto ko kasi talaga yung look and how she talks and responds to answers. So si Catriona Gray. Plus nakita ko siya in person and parang mix ng cuteness and ganda yung face niya. So yeah. Not saying na Tia is it, pero Catriona lang tayo. I'm a Sarah fan. So, Sarah talaga tayo kasi yun, dun tayo lumaki sa kanya kay Sarah G. Ano na nga ba yung mga... Ako'y nakalutang nasa langit. Yung mga lumang-luma niya pang songs talaga, kasi nung mga kabataan ko pa. Ngayon may mental block lang ako, pero Sarah G talaga. Hi, Dylan Williams. Pangarap kong nag-gym kasi ako. Nag-gym kasi ako, so gusto ko makapag-lift like her. Although, of course, hindi natin niya maabot. Pero, hi, Dylan. Ay, hindi pa ako nakaka-lift ng, bawal pa ako lalo na ngayon bagong opera ako. Nagpalaparoscopy kasi ako, diba? Pero pinayagan na ako mag-gym. So, tingnan natin kung kaya natin. Kabahan na si Heidi. She should be shaking. Oh my gosh. Oh. Kasi pareho silang versatile actors. Like, Anne Hathaway can do acting and musicals. Les Miserables. And of course, she's my Mia Thermopolis, Reynaldi. And si Emma Stone naman, kasi super bet ko talaga, lalo na sa La La Land and sa Spider-Man. So, and syempre Easy A. I love her acting and her spunk. So, both.